Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's lecture, we are going to uh, do an introduction to Power BI. What is Power BI and what is Power BI Desktop? Power BI is a collection of a software services, apps, connectors that work together to turn your unrelated means sources of data into a visually impressive and interactive dashboard. So your data may be in Excel spreadsheet or in SQL Server or in any other ERP softwares, Azure, website, CSV, text file, etc. You can connect all those databases, import it in the Power BI and create a dashboard out of it. So this is a small intro to what is Power BI. And in Power BI, there are various parts of Power BI. Like Power BI consists of Power BI Desktop, then the online service that is Power BI Service, then Power BI mobile apps for Windows, iOS, Android devices, Power BI Report Builder for creating paginated reports to share in Power BI Service, and Power BI Report Servers, that is an on-premise server where you can publish your Power BI reports after creating them in Power BI Desktop. So in today's video, we are going to understand what is Power BI Desktop. So Power BI Desktop, it is a free application which you can install it in your local system, and then you can import your data set and transform it, clean it, and prepare a dashboard, a visual interactive dashboard, uh, and publish it and share it with your colleagues, or you can publish it in your organization. So this is a Power BI desktop. To start with it, first you need to download the Power BI desktop app. To do that, we will go to the Google Chrome and type Power BI desktop download. In that, if you click on the first link, that is downloads Microsoft Power BI, it will take you to the download link, and advanced click on advanced download options. So once you are here, go to download option, and if your system is 64-bit, then select 64-bit or else 32-bit. So select this and click on next. So it will download the app. So the basic system requirements are, so it should be Windows 10. You should have Windows 10, that is recommended, or else Windows 8 or 8.1. And Also, your this RAM should be minimum 4 GB. Recommended is 8 GB, because in 4 GB it works really slow, and so 8 GB is preferable. So that is the prerequisite for this app. So it is better you have Windows 10 installed, Windows 10 in your system, and a minimum of 4 GB or 8 GB. Recommendation is 8 GB, because in 4 GB it takes a lot of time. So this is about the installation. Once it is downloaded and once you install the software, uh, this is what it looks like. This is the Power BI desktop app. So in this, you have the uh, ribbon, uh, and on this there are three icons which are called report, data, and model. This screen is where your visuals get populated, and here you can create new pages for new visuals, etc. And the first is the filter pane, where you filter your data set. Then the visualization pane, where there are pre-configured visuals by which you can present your data set with the help of visuals. And third is the fields pane, where once you import the data, your data gets stored here and you can populate it in visuals. So how to import the data? You can see the get data option here and here also. So if you click on get data, there are various options available here, uh, from which you can import data, and if you click on more, you will get more options. So we will get into that in our next video. So this is where you import the data, and then it gets stored in the Power Query engine, that is in transform data, where you can transform your data set. So in this home tab, you can do a get data from various sources, and there are shortcuts for Excel, Power BI, datasets, etc. You can transform the data in Power Query. You can insert new visual, text box, more visuals. In the next insert ribbon, you can insert a new page, new visuals, and you can insert this AI driven visuals, that is key influencer, decomposition tree, Q&A. In the and also in insert, you can insert a Power App. The Power App is another Microsoft software where you can embed Power Apps in this Power BI. You can insert text box, buttons, shapes, and images in with the help of insert button. In modeling, you can insert a new measure once you import the data. So it is a DAX measure where you can write formulas similar to Excel formulas. Next is view. You can change the formatting. You can change the page view. You can change it to mobile layout. You can change the grid lines, filters. You can put a bookmark. You can put sync slices, etc. And last is the help section. So you can get help from the Microsoft with this tab. And last is the file tab. So above that file tab, you after creating a dashboard, you need to save the dashboard. It will store it as a .pbx file. In the file option, you have option called new. If you click on new, a new Power BI window will appear. Open report, you can open any of the stored reports. Save as, get data, import of existing file, export, and publish. So uh, and so these are the options available in this Power BI. Just for an example, I will show you an Power BI dashboard. So this is how a dashboard looks like. So it is an interactive dashboard with various visuals. So if I click on any of the bars here, it should change the data set available. So as you can see, once I clicked on it, all the charts will get affected. So if I select any of the visuals here, it will filter out other visuals as well. So this is called an interactive Power BI dashboard. So with the help of the data set which you import, it gets stored here in the Power Query engine, which can be seen in fields option. So in the report icon, so this is the report icon where you create reports. In the data icon, you can see the data in tabular format. So if you want to see any of your data, it will be visible in tabular format. Next is the model icon, where you can create relationship between your data and masters, create relationship, and create hierarchy in this model. So this was a small intro to what is Power BI and Power BI desktop. Thank you everyone. uh, let's meet in our next video.